What's up, everybody? It's Melissa at Chip Wynn Motors over here at Chip Wynn Classics, coming to you today with an not quite there, but we're getting close, locally owned, purchased for the lot, 2002 Chevrolet Camaro with a power convertible top. So this is going to be the 35th anniversary edition. Underneath the hood, you're going to be checking out a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is going to be packed with a 6-speed factory Hurst shifter. This car was once again locally owned, well maintained. This come out of a husband and wife collection. We actually purchased the husband's car prior to this one. It was an earlier model. The wife finally decided she was ready to let go of her prized possession, gave us a call, and we were able to offer her exactly what she wanted out of it, and now we have it here for you to purchase. Guys, so this is a head turner. With these aggressive lines and the iconic SS badging, you are definitely going to be able to have a nice daily driver, or you can show up at the car show ready. It's got the 35th anniversary stitching on the seats. Beautiful black and gray leather interior. Since that top is down, we'll go ahead and take a look inside. Once again, you'll see it only has 31,000 miles on it. See that factory Hurst shifter. Just a beautiful car altogether. Sitting here purring like a kitten. We do offer same-day financing. In a matter of 5 minutes, we can let you know today if we can get this car in your driveway. It's the one for you, and you can't come to us, we can come to you. We do offer shipping to almost anywhere in the world. We can get you a quote as well. Show you putting that top up and it's operating. And we'll take her for a drive. We're going to take a cruise through Noble Park here. We got all the Christmas lights up. Not on yet, obviously, but if you're in Paducah, Kentucky, definitely stroll through Noble Park. Make you some donations to some people in need. This car handles well. It shifts good. That V8, man, she just wants to go. Take her easy through the water here. guys, we are going to take her on back down Park Avenue, back down to Chip Wynn Classics. We're going to let her shifter do its job. And there is nothing wrong with this car. You talk about holding to the road. Just grab a gear and you're gone, baby. Come check it out. Chip Wynn Classics, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel at Chip Wynn Classics on YouTube. It really helps us out. Give us a call at 270-443-1728. If you have any other questions, happy to answer them in any way. 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah, Kentucky. That's where you can find us. Find it online at chipwynnmotors.com, guys. We're going to pull on back in here. Alright guys, we're back at the toy chest here at Chip Wynn Classics. Once again, I took you on a test drive of this locally owned, well-maintained, beautiful 2002 SS Camaro. It's a 35th anniversary edition. Pricing, all of the description, photos, video can all be found also at chipwynnmotors.com. You can also like and subscribe and you'll be notified of all the new things we have coming down the line. So we can't wait to hear from you guys. 3174 Park Avenue in Paducah, Kentucky. Again, that's the location. 270-443-1728. That's the phone number. And find it all online at chipwynnmotors.com. And until we see you, keep it between the ditches, guys. Bye.